Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by exporting while keeping your original intact. This prevents accidental edits. Open the presentation and save a copy, then go to File, Export, and choose Create Handouts. Once there, pick the layout that matches your goal, notes next to slides for presenter material or blank lines for audience handouts. Make sure to check Paste versus Paste Link. Paste embeds static content, while Paste Link maintains a live connection. This small decision affects later edits and file size. Once the slides appear in Word, you refine layout and accessibility. You can convert embedded slides into images to standardize formatting, or keep link slides to update automatically. Pick one and be consistent. Make sure to wrap text around images, resize placeholders uniformly, and apply word styles to titles and note bodies so navigation and TOC generation work later. If you need consistent fonts, use Replace Fonts or set a document theme. This helps with printing and long document navigation. To finish, proof the document for page breaks, alignment, and missing notes, then save as docx and export a PDF for distribution. Once done, review headers, footers, and slide numbering so handouts match the presentation. If something goes wrong, such as broken links or misplaced images, relink or re-export only the affected slides instead of repeating the whole process. As a troubleshooting tip, if links break after moving files, re-establish the links from the original PowerPoint, copy, and update fields in Word.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.